Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a header, a footer, and a logo to Confluence. Ladies and gentlemen, to add the header, footer, and your logo into Confluence, you need to go up to the Confluence administration tab, which is the little gear icon on the top right hand side. Here you're going to come down, and underneath settings you will see look and feel. Now this is a drop down menu, so there's a bunch of different things that you can do here. So let's go and first click on header and footer. Now here you can customize the look of all the pages as well as the live documents. So your header you're going to add in over here. All right, and the footer you're going to add in here. Once you're done, you're going to go and click on save. Once you have clicked on save, that will then be your header and your footer. Now you can also go ahead and you can click on default space logo. Here, you can turn the logo on or off, okay? If you want to turn it on, go ahead and click on select a file. I've got a file now that I've uploaded. It'll be in a PNG or a JPEG format, and it'll take a few seconds to upload. Here it is. Now you'll have the option to set new logo. Go ahead and click on set new logo. This is the file that will be used for your new logo on Confluence. All right, you can see now this is the actual image. You can go ahead and you can refresh your page up on the top left hand side. All right, and let's go back out here, and you will then see that all of your pages should have your logo as well as your header and your footer. So this is the header. If you go to the bottom, it says this is my footer, this is the footer, and your logo will now be populated within a few seconds.